Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be seeing what we saved from our last paycheck in October, and we will be stuffing our first paycheck in November. As I stated in my last video, I believe it was my unstuffing video, which should come up before this video. The only thing that will be stuffed in cash is my cash envelopes, and whatever I have saved will be going into the envelopes that they usually go in, but all of my sinking funds will be going in prop money. I'm going to leave that money in the bank for the time being. So if you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So in a household, we saved $10. In our miscellaneous, we also saved $10. In my lunch money, I saved $15. And in my personal, I also saved $15. So we saved 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. $50. And let's see what we're going to be stuffing. And some of this is prop money and some of it is actual cash. So we have 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 405, 10. $410 is what we're going to be stuffing. I'll move that up. So we're going to start with our cash envelopes. Household is going to get $10. Miscellaneous is also going to get $10. Lunch, I'm going to get $15 for my lunch. I'm going to get $15 for my personal. And I'm going to set my cash envelopes to the side. My husband is going to get $15 for his lunch and $15 for his personal. 10, 20, 25, 30 is what my husband gets. And our personal and lunch money will probably be going away. We are still in the situation that we were in. For those who have not been following me or new to the channel, my husband lost his job and he's in the midst of finding a job. So we're down to one income and we are having to use some of our backup funds and different things like that. I will continue to stuff my envelopes, and when he does get a job, I will pull out everything that we have to pay back to ourselves and we'll start over there with our debt confession. So we're going to take out our money for next week. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80 is what we're going to be stuffing for next week. So I'm going to put that in our bank bag. And now we're going to move on to our sinking funds. And Beauty, of course, is going to get the $30 that I saved for my lunch and my personal. 10, 20, 25, 30. And I think I'm going to put this back and give myself a 10. So that's 10, 20, 30. And sooner or later, I'm going to not get my nails done. I'm going to let him have a break, because the more that he takes the powder off, the thinner my nails get. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I am going to give myself a break on getting my nails done for a while. I'm just not sure when. Medical is going to get $10, and that's going to be propped. And if I didn't state it in the beginning, I did do a cash and stuffing. That video should be up before this. So everything that I'm putting in now is prop money. So that's 1, 50, 60, 70, $170 in medical. My mom is going to get $110. My brother and sister sent money down, so that's why she gets so much. So it gives her 5, 6, 10, 15, $615 in my mom's final expenses. In our backup funds, $15 of this will be real money, and $10 is going to be props. So that's $25 that I'll be putting in my backup funds. So it gives us 1,150, 70, 90, 200, 10, 15, $1,215 in our backup funds. And that is all with this binder. Now we will move on to our financial binder. Dead Snowball will get $10. So it gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 50, $850 in our Dead Snowball envelope. Our loan is also going to get $10. So it gives us 1,150, 70, 80, 85, 86, $1,186 in our loan envelope. And in our 1 month ahead envelope, it will also get $10. So it gives us 1,150, 60, 75, $1,175 in our 1 month ahead envelope. And that is all for this binder. Now we will move on to our retirement binder. And let me see if I have a 5 in here, which I don't. Let me make change real quick. So our emergency fund is going to get $15. So it gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 70, 80, 90, 95. $995 in our emergency fund envelope. Savings is also going to get $15. So it gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 70, 80, 95, $995 in our savings envelopes. And that is all for our retirement binder. And our last binders is our savings binder, and Christmas is going to get 15. 5 of that will be in real money and 10 of it will be in prop money. Gives us 100, 200, 300, 10, 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, $334 in our Christmas envelope. And that is all with this binder. So fam, as you can tell, I have been stuffing some real money along with some prop money. The only real money that is going to go in for the time being will be what I saved in my cash envelopes. The rest of it will be stuffed in prop money, and I will leave that money in the bank. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.